Welcome back, everyone. Today, you are about to discover a dish that feels like comfort, tastes like home, and looks like something straight from a restaurant menu. This recipe begins with just 2 simple eggs, but soon transforms into a golden, crispy, irresistible creation. So relax, enjoy, and follow along step by step. Preparing the potatoes. On a clean counter, 4 to 5 fresh potatoes sit waiting. Hands gently peel the potatoes, slice them, and place them into a bowl. A soft voice begins, "How's your mood today? Are you hungry?" Because today's recipe will make your day even better. Cold water is poured over the potatoes. They soak quietly for 10 to 15 minutes, removing excess starch and preparing them to become creamy on the inside and beautifully crisp on the outside. The flavor mix. Next, a bowl appears filled with 3 tablespoons breadcrumbs, salt and black pepper sweet paprika, dried garlic Italian herb mix. These simple spices carry enormous flavor. As they blend, the mixture becomes the heart of today's potato base. 2 fresh eggs are cracked, whisked lightly, and poured into the bowl. The mixture thickens, turns golden, and smells rich with spices. A bunch of fresh parsley is finely chopped. It falls like confetti into the bowl, bright, green, and refreshing. Then, 30 grams of hard cheese, finely grated, melts into the mixture, adding depth and aroma. A gentle mix, slow, even perfect. Baking the potato base. A tray is brushed with vegetable oil, creating a glossy surface. The potato mixture spreads evenly across it, smooth, comforting, and beautifully textured. The tray slides into a preheated oven at 200 degrees C, baking for 35 minutes until the top turns a golden brown, crispy but soft beneath. Preparing the chicken. While the potatoes bake, a pan warms over medium heat. A chicken fillet is placed inside. It sizzles the moment it touches the pan. Golden edges begin to form. The aroma rises. Sprinkle, paprika, salt, sweet paprika, black pepper. The chicken sears beautifully on all sides, juicy, flavorful, and ready for the next step. This chicken will soon complete the perfect meal. Fresh vegetables. On a board, 2 cucumbers, thinly sliced crisp iceberg lettuce, chopped 8-10 cherry tomatoes, halved bright colors. Fresh fragrance. This salad will balance the richness of the potatoes and chicken. The first dressing. In a small bowl, 1 tablespoon sour cream, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon French mustard, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. These ingredients come together into a creamy, tangy dressing that coats the vegetables perfectly. It is mixed gently until smooth and glossy. Pour it over the sliced cucumbers, fresh lettuce, and cherry tomatoes. The vegetables absorb the flavor and shine beautifully. The second dressing, for serving. Now, another bowl is prepared. 3 tablespoons sour cream, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 2 garlic cloves, crushed fresh dill, finely chopped, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. This second dressing is thicker, richer, and filled with fresh herbs. It will be served beside the finished dish, adding cool freshness to each bite. Bringing it all together. The oven timer rings. The tray slides out, carrying a perfectly baked potato base, golden, crisp, and aromatic. The edges lift slightly, and the cheese has melted beautifully into the mixture. The chicken fillet is sliced into tender, juicy strips. Beside them rests the fresh salad, dressed and vibrant. A serving plate appears. First, a generous slice of the baked potato dish is placed gently on the plate. The surface is textured, crispy edges, soft center, just perfect. Next, a few strips of golden chicken are arranged elegantly on the side. Then, a scoop of the fresh salad completes the trio. Creamy potatoes, juicy chicken, refreshing greens. A drizzle of herb garlic dressing on the side brings aroma and richness. Final words. The voiceover continues softly. You have to try it. It's delicious, comforting, and so satisfying. Thank you for your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Your support makes every recipe possible. A final close-up. The steam rises, the textures shine, and the dish looks absolutely irresistible. Ending frame text appears. Enjoy your meal. See you in the next recipe.